Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set the retirement spending assumptions the right way in Empower. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set your retirement spending assumptions the right way in Empower, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into your Empower account. So once you are logged in into your Empower account, to set your retirement spending assumptions the right way, you must create a personalized, detailed budget that accounts for evolving needs, inflation, healthcare costs, and other income sources. Moving beyond the simple rule of thumb. So, you need to visualize your retirement style first. You need to do like your location visualization, activities, and work ethics that you are planning to continue. Now you need to create a detailed and personalized budget. You need to track your current expenses, categorize it, adjust for changes, and you need to simply account for key financial factors like inflation, healthcare costs, and taxes as well. Now, simply determine your income sources like pensions, rental income, and choose a sustainable withdrawal strategy. So, this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.